Harry, we almost got married at this property.
What?
That's right. Welcome to the channel. This is a review and critique luxury properties. I tell you 3 things I like about it, 3 things I don't like about it. In today's episode, we're going to review 340 North Kanan Dume Road in Malibu, 5-bedroom, 5-bath, 9,000 square foot, listed for $44.5 million, and it's got a ridiculously large lot because it's kind of a vineyard at the same time. 37 acres or 1,153,880 square foot of land. Okay, now before I tell you 3 things I like about this property, the content of this video is purely my personal opinion. It's for entertainment, educational purposes. If you've got questions about the property, contact the listing agent. Okay, 3 things I like about this property. The approach. You got a 300-foot long driveway. It's majestic. It builds up a momentum. It's no Godfather, but it does have a helipad. Godfather didn't have a helipad. Number 2, it's a promontory with a ton of natural light. You got volumes off the 𝐂𝐲𝐬𝐬, and you got lights coming from every freaking direction. It doesn't matter which way you're facing here because there's just light coming from everywhere. There's nothing blocking you. You're just on top of a hill by yourself. Number 1 thing I love about this property is the fact that it comes with a vineyard. I mean, it's like a vineyard, a house attached to it, because what, 36.5 acre of it is actually a vineyard, but it's super unique. Good luck finding that somewhere else. Okay, now
Hang on, Arvin. Can you tell me what ZipSmart has to say about this property?
it's ugly out there in Malibu. It's
man.
ugly. Start writing your deals, guys. I'm telling you, this is the time to take advantage. You know why? Because there's 14% more new supply of homes coming on the market than last month, and 33% more new supply coming than same time last year, and there's 67% more price cuts than same time last year. But you know what's even more beautiful? Version 3.0, because it's got such an incredible algorithm that it can tell you how much the market will get better or worse by a specific time by a degree of confidence. There's never been anything like it in residential real estate, and it's gonna blow your mind when it comes out. Now, 3 things I don't like about this property. Harry, as I told you, we actually visited this property for a location for our wedding, what, 10 years ago or something? And I can tell you, it was really windy. And I thought about it. I was like, we can't have this much wind blowing during the wedding ceremony. You're at the tip of a mountain. There's just a lot of breeze coming in. That's a negative. Number 2, you got 37 acres. You got 99 problems.
That's ridiculous.
But not enough flat land by the house itself. Like 37 acres. Great. But you really don't have a backyard at this house. You're sitting on top of a mountain. You got a tiny swimming pool. It's like cliffhanger all around you. And that's just not ideal for families. It just doesn't feel inviting for a place for kids to go. And it was a concern when we were looking at the property for getting married in, and that's why we didn't get married over there. Now, the number 1 thing that I don't like about this property is the fact that it just doesn't feel like a home. It's more of a vineyard. I mean, you really gotta be a wine connoisseur and have this as kind of your showboat pony to show off to your friends and jump on your heli and be like, you know what? Let's go try out our new wine collection. It just came out. And fly in, land, show off a little bit, sip on some wine.
Give your own label.
Yeah, have your own label. Like, it's just a trophy property. I don't see it as having a practical living experience here. So that's that. Now, if you like this video, you'll probably like one of these videos. And tell me in the comments how much you think this property actually gonna sell for. And sign up for ZipSmart.ai because I'm raising the prices. But if you sign up right now, you're gonna be grandfathered in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.